Hello, future warriors, and welcome to SSB Crack Exams. I am Hemant, and I'm here back with another interesting notification regarding the SSC Tech Women 28th course, which is going to be very soon going to be started at Officers Training Academy, Chennai. And those female candidates who have applied for this particular entry after going through the notification given in our SSB Crack Exams website and all, they have applied for this particular entry, and very recently they have been shortlisted for this particular one for their SSB interviews. And the date selection link for this SSB interviews is open, and this is a notification regarding that particular one. Those candidates who are going to be prepared and who are shortlisted for this particular entry, who are shortlisted for the SSB interviews, after selecting your dates as soon as possible, please make sure that you're going through with SSB Crack Exams website, or also you can even download ssbcrackexams.com, and thereafter subscribe yourself towards the OER test and PPDT, very most important online course that is going to be extremely helpful for you candidates being recommended for the stage 1, and thereafter giving a proper amount of guidance and analysis regarding the stage 2 of the SSB interview. We at SSB Crack Exams have a proper amount of understanding and the plan and the paper pattern, the way of the qualities candidates must possess and what should be done to imbibe those qualities. Each and every other issue has been addressed in our online course. You can go through with that, and please subscribe yourself towards the OER test and PPDT online course. Please do remember that we have various other most important content, including the content of the personality development and motivation, what actually a PPDT is, which means a picture perception and description test means what, and what is the meaning of the officer's intelligence rating test, and what are the different types of the questions, the practice tests regarding that, the verbal and non-verbal reasoning regarding that, every other detail has been provided and has been furnished in our application. Go through with that. We have the content in the form of the video lectures, live classes, study plans and notes, and also the mock tests that make your preparation much more stronger. And after each and every particular mock test, you will get a rank analysis on the all India level, and the complete syllabus is updated on a day-to-day format. And the best part is you can have an offline access towards our courses. Whenever you are online, you can download the lectures, and whenever you are offline, you can go through with all of those lectures. So please do subscribe towards OER test and PPDT course. Do not forget to use the code warrior10 to get an extra 5% discount off on all of our courses, which will make your preparation much more stronger, brighter and better, guys. Please do remember that most important point. So as far as this particular session is considered, I will first give you what actually a brief information about the notification is, and I will give you about the cutoff marks or regarding this particular entry, and I will also tell you about what actually is the last date for the selection of your SSB interviews. Remember, SSC Tech is a kind of entry. It is eligible only for the engineering and the technological graduates and postgraduates who have been subscribed, and these graduates can directly apply and go through with the Indian Army for getting their training as the Short Service Commission entries into the Indian Army, and their training will be commenced at the Officers Training Academy, Chennai. Remember that most important point, guys. So please do remember that regarding the shortlisting of the female candidates for the SSC Tech 28th course, which is going to be very soon started, Indian Army has published the cutoff marks and the interview dates. So you can go through with the Indian Army website and log on to your particular important login ID credentials by giving that, and thereafter you can select your dates as far as the slots are given. Cutoff percentage for SSB shortlisting, it was made take into consideration up to the 6th semester cumulative for all the engineering graduates, and up to the 2nd semester cumulative for the MSc Computer Science graduates who are also eligible for this particular entry. Very few females are going to be shortlisted, and make sure that those who are directly going to be shortlisted for this particular SSB interview, that means you are very fortunate candidates, people. So all of these female future Veer Naris who are going to be commissioned into the OTA, make sure that you are giving the best as much as you can, because very little amount of small error can make you pay a very bigger deeds. So do not make a mistake, and subscribe to our courses to not make any particular mistake. So regarding the official cutoff marks, they has been very recently released by the official notification, guys, and according to that, the civil, building and construction technology engineering graduates, their cutoff percentage was given as 71%. For the mechanical graduates, it is 76%. For electrical and electronics graduates, the highest percentage is given as 83%. That means 83% was the cutoff for the female graduates who are directly shortlisted for this particular entry. And for the computer science, engineering, computer technology, and MSc computer science graduates, the cutoff percentage is 77%, information technology is 60%, and those female graduates who are graduated in the aeronautical engineering or aerospace engineering or related, their cutoff percentage is 60%. This is the cutoff marks that are released. According to this particular cutoff percentage, they have been called for the SSB interviews, and you have to make sure that you will make sure that you are logging in on to Join Indian Army website, and thereafter select your slots and dates, and these dates will be open only till afternoon 3 o'clock. That means 1500 hours on 22nd of July 2021. So 22nd of July 2021 only is the last date. Very few days are left out. Do not waste any particular amount of time. The moment you see this with this particular notification, please do apply. If you have already been going through with ssbcrackexams.com website, then you might have already known this notification, and this might be a very lately coming. But those guys who are watching it now, as of now, do not do a mistake, and make sure that you are applying, and make sure that you are selecting your SSB interview dates as soon as possible after this particular application. Please do make sure. I'm again reiterating, remember the deadline. Online SSB date selection will be open till 1500 hours. That means afternoon 3 p.m. on 22nd of July 2021. After that, there will be no slots, and you will not be given any particular chance to opt for your favorite SSB interview. Do not make that mistake. Select your dates as soon as possible to not miss any good slots. Okay, the more late you select the dates, the more improper dates you might be getting. So to get many number of choices, to get many number of chances, and the more choices you have, the more better it is for you to select a proper date. So make sure to get more number of choices. You have to select as soon as possible. The more better you log in, the more faster you log in, the more better dates you will get. Okay, remember that. And after you complete that, please do make sure that you are also subscribing towards SSB Crack Exams online OER test and PPDT course, which will make your preparation content much more stronger, better, and brighter. We in this particular course will properly guide you on how to read the picture, how to write the story, what are the qualities that you have to mention in the story, what kind of character traits are mentioned according to your story, and what are the proper amount of details that you have to make sure into consideration, how to prepare for the OER test, and what are the types of questions that are coming up in the officer's intelligence rating test, and how can you improve your OER rating, and how can you improve your writing skills, and how can you improve your discussion skills, what are the kind of important communication skills that you have to possess so that you can easily cross the level 1, the stage 1 of the SSB interview. You get screened in, and thereafter you will also get, those serious candidates will also get a personal amount of interaction regarding the stage 2. We will personally tell them on the important points and things that have to be followed in the stage 2 also. As I told you, we have the complete course in the form of the personality development and modification and motivation things, PPDT, OER, and in the form of the content, in the form of the verbal and non-verbal reasoning and all. Go through with that. And I told you that we have the content in the form of the video lectures, live classes, study plans and notes, mock test and rank analysis. Complete syllabus is updated, and the best part is you can have an offline access. Do not forget to use the code WARRIOR10 to get a proper amount of discount off on all our courses. So go through with this whole content, guys. Apply and select your date as much as possible. To all of those Veer-Naris who are watching this particular session, finish your day selection link, come back, download the app, subscribe towards OER and PPDT course, start off with your preparation, and thereafter you can interact with all our subject matter experts who are there at your disposal 24/7. We will make sure that you will be getting proper amount of analysis and guidance, and you crack this SSB interview with flying colors, making your parents and yourself very, very proud. That's all for this session, guys. I will see you guys in the next session. Until then, always stay safe, stay healthy, keep smiling, be confident. Jai Hind.